In this world of play, the spiritual metaverse is treated as sacred, a cosmic futurist space where cosmos and community meet. Spiritual gaming names a practice of meaning-making through cooperative challenge and wonder. When play is purposeful and alive, many report flow, a deep absorption described by Csikszentmihalyi. Flow links skill to significance, inviting presence rather than escape. The hands move, the mind quiets. Intention frames the play space as a place of care. Joy rises not from winning alone, but from shared rhythm. Galactic motifs, stars, portals, golden corridors, work as symbols of vastness and interdependence. They cue the body to soften and the attention to widen. In this wideness, fine control emerges without strain. Screens become windows, not walls. Breath eases, posture follows. Quiet invites discernment. Awe broadens perspective and supports pro-social feeling. Psychological Science 2015. These aesthetics can prime contemplative states akin to meditation. Attention steadies when challenge meets capacity. Hallmarks of flow that support cognitive control. Emotion regulation improves when the heart feels anchored and the task feels meaningful. In research, custom game training has improved cognitive control in older adults. Nature 2013. Practice can reshape structure and function. Neuroplastic changes have been observed with game engagement. Molecular Psychiatry 2014. These findings suggest that focused, meaningful play may build capacities beyond the screen. The heart's orientation guides, the mind's precision follows. In clinical contexts, virtual reality and interactive media have supported exposure therapy and mood interventions. Frontiers in Psychology 2017. Engagement matters. When presence rises, adherence and outcomes can improve. In rehabilitation, game-assisted therapy has increased participation and aided motor recovery. Stroke 2010. These effects emerge within structured programs guided by clinicians. Outside the clinic, play can still serve mental fitness when it is intentional, restorative, and social. Children's gaming has been associated with markers of attention and cognition. JAMA Network Open 2022. While context and content remain crucial, not all games are equal. Design and difficulty shape outcomes. Repetition with feedback can consolidate skill, much like deliberate practice. Goals clarify attention, meaning sustains it. Small wins accumulate, patterns refine, attention sharpens. Clarity follows care. Across studies, gains are most reliable when feedback is clear and tasks are adaptive. Nature 2013, Mall Psychiatry 2014. The sacred lesson echoes: consistency over intensity, presence over haste. In VR therapy, immersion can make difficult work feel safer and more doable. Frontiers in Psychology 2017. Grounding supports courage, movement refreshes focus. Perspective resets attention. The horizon reminds the body of scale. Balanced inputs stabilize mood more than spikes and crashes. Even arousal systems have rhythms. Overstimulation blurs precision. Some labs explore 40 Hz auditory and visual entrainment as a window into attention and arousal. Clin Neurophysio 2001. Nature 2019. Findings are promising yet early. Mechanisms remain under study. Evidence invites curiosity, not overclaim. Across age and ability, design shapes what the brain rehearses. Spiritual gaming, then, is less a rulebook and more a stance. Attention, relation, and wonder in motion. Micro-intentions can yield macro outcomes when aligned with community and care. Clinically, these tools can complement therapy, improving control, attention, mood, and engagement when used appropriately. They are not replacements for professional care. Guidance matters, context matters, culture matters. Sleep recovery and real-world relationships remain the foundations of long-term growth. The galactic is a mirror. It reflects our smallness and our belonging to something vast. Symbols carry us across thresholds, from spectacle to significance. Entering spaces of play with reverence, we find discipline without harshness. Exiting with gratitude, we carry that clarity outward. Power with softness, heart open, mind clear. Selected sources. games can complement therapy, best used alongside professional guidance.